The St. Catherine South Police are asking dancehall entertainer, Silk Boss, to contact detectives in Portmore. In a statement this afternoon, the police say they have taken note of multiple videos circulating on various social media platforms which appear to indicating an assault on the entertainer. Silk Boss' given name is Rohan Reed. The police say they are also aware of documented events and a subsequent video/interview given by Mr. Reed. The police say Silk Boss may visit the station, which is located on Brayton Parkway in Portmore, St. Catherine. Alternatively, they may be contacted at 876-949-8422.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And very important, click on another video. We'll eat more video here. Now, look at that screen in front of you. Just like I predicted, I said once Sir P got their picture or got Chargey picture, they're all going to jail. And that's what's going on. Let's talk about it. Let me start off by saying I am not bashing Sir P at all. If anything, I am supporting what he's doing because I feel the same way. Jamaica is filled with these 87s, like Sir P said. Me, I call them 28s. And I'm gonna explain 28s right now. Look at the screen in front of you. This is my graph explaining how I apply numbers to the Jamaican gangs them. And this is from a gang called the Numbers Gang out of South Africa. But I am applying it to Jamaica. Look at the screen, it said the 26 are responsible for gambling, smuggling, and wealth. The 28s are the warriors and responsible for fighting on the behalf of all three groups. The 27s are the guardian of the law and peacekeeper. I guess Chargey would be a 27. So that's the explanation. With that said, I'm gonna go into this video and talk about this. Let's go. So let's talk about the stuff they are doing in Gregory Park. Little picnic get killed over there. House a burn down. All sort of thing a go on. Alright. Now, can you imagine them youth here because them want to get fame after them a do pay every? I go box up the entertainer and put the video on the internet. What does that say about these geniuses? Box up the entertainer. Put the video on the internet. Did interviews with Terrodan and whoever they did interviews with, which forces the entertainer, Silk Boss, to come out and do film interview. Hence, vloggers pick it up. Next thing you know, police want to talk to Silk Boss. And now, people know about them. Sir P, I do the rundown upon them. I'ma tell them, and I made a prediction that once Sir P get them picture or get done Chargey picture, which them a hungry badness tomato, and like me say I support Sir P, them gone. The reason I said that is because Sir P have mad connection in terms of people in certain high position watching his vlogs. You understand? And him have him linkage from what I see, and this is just a speculation. Cause put it like this, I am the anti-spy. While them a gather information upon me I gather information upon them. And I am a profiler. So that's what I see. And it's a good thing because just like Sir P, I'm trying to clean up Jamaica. And there's a big difference with me and Sir P. I don't want to switch the conversation. Me not like police. Like me say, me not like police, but at the same time, me not like criminals either. Me not, any boy we say them a bad man and them a murderer, me not like them because all them do is pick on the people them in them neighborhood and terrorize them neighborhood and kill off the people them in them neighborhood. Them now shot one politician. You understand? Me, any boy bring badness to me, this is the difference between me and Sir P. Me boy like a boy and I jump on you. I jump on a aisle. You understand? Me a war boat. But, like me say, we still want the same outcome for our country. Back to these guys. So, now Silk Boss, police want to talk to him. And the reason why is because of what them genius I do. And I'm just showing you the whole dynamics. Once them do that, for Silk Boss to talk, vloggers come out with them info. Them a do interview. Once you do that, you put yourself in the public atmosphere and you're liable for anything, criticism, anything, attacks. But most of all, them youth are some genius because from when me remember about bad man and certain step on them things, when you do things people nothing know. You understand? If me did a step and I do certain things, nobody now know. I saw me know flex. But them youth here, them so hungry, fame and money. You probably have done charging, probably the America send money. Them a buy gun, now them start warring at Gregory Park and over golf. Them can't shot, them on lean, them a shoot off of each other. Bullet going at the house, shoot the little girl. Murder. Them send man head in a box. And them hungry now, what's it, not it. Me don't want to cuss up no bad word. But, with that said, me still a defend Silk Boss because I hope Silk Boss nobody go to no police. Go talk to no police. Cause you don't see how the police thing work at Jamaica. Police them now do nothing. The police them a move like gangster now. So by you going to talk to them, it not gonna solve nothing, and then now man I go probably want to blame you say you're informer. While them are the informer cause them inform upon themselves and them inform upon you. them 28 yeah, from outer Gulf. You see what I'm saying? I'ma just sit back and me watch how everything I play out. But me say one thing, I'ma mention it in a couple of my different videos them. This what is going on in Jamaica was already pre-designed for Jamaica and other places, other Caribbean islands. What them do, them disseminate certain dons that was in these neighborhoods, knowing that that's gonna cause splinter gangs to break up and have inter-gangs. You see what I'm saying? And that's what's going on in Jamaica. And then what makes it even worse, you have entertainers now aligning themselves with the gangster them and actually not just singing about killing people, but actually killing people and singing about it. I mean, that shit is weird and crazy. You see what I'm saying? And I guess it's a sense of ego and pride. Like I remember one time in Jamaica when people did appear, black people at ball. Now when them kill a man go pop a champagne. And so we just make a dopey, you know, and celebrate, we are gonna celebrate. Sick ass culture. A culture of bad mind and hate. And like I said, I don't know if we can ever recover unless we remake the thing from scratch and turn it into a republic and implement certain things. Because beyond that, I don't think we're going to cross the threshold. Now, like I say, I had predicted, and it seems like it's coming to light. It's just my opinion. But the whole of them boy, they got jail, and them forgot jail. Cause all them a do, I kill innocent people, I do all sort of effort in the community. I intimidate, I extort them friends, I extort people. You have money fund them from foreign, and all sort of thing I go on. I'm glad Silk Boss situation shine the light on this. My name is Countryman. Remember to click on another video. And remember to subscribe and share it. But like me say, it's a good thing Sir Pierre do. We support it. I want all of them dirty boy there, them 28 there. The whole of them forgot prison. I know me I forgot shut up my mouth, but what's really kinda frightening is the rate at how gangs are creating in Jamaica and the rate of the crime and stuff, and I'm just worried about the actual infrastructure of certain institutions like the corrections and them place there, if they can really, because they're not building no new institution. Cause see there, you have another thing flare up now in a trench town. I mean I talk about that. The Brooklyn gang and the Sox gang. I'm going to elaborate on that in the next video. But this war has been going on for the longest time. Just like Cockburn Pen, Bully and Waldy. Everything leads back to what I'm saying. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button and click on another video. I'm out.